They say if you imagine that there's no one in the crowd, it makes it easier. Good thing it's Monday. I could practice for my speech. When I came to Toastmasters, tone, pace, pitch, volume, and even breathing were the last things on my mind. If you speak too fast, your message might get missed. And too slow, the audience will get bored and sleepy. Improving in your vocal varieties, ladies and gentlemen, will elevate the delivery of your speech. Here's my perspective on vocal variety. Is it just me, but every time I hear myself in a video, I say, is that me? For real? Really? My voice sounds in a video like this. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters, I guess. I am your master. I figured it out, though. And the reason why we hear ourselves like that. See, we have our ear canals and drums behind, and just above that, some of us have brains, but the voice projection is onward. That's the reason why it comes back to us and we hear ourselves differently. Let me tell you a little bit about pitch, pace, tone, volume. As you guys know, I'm a Miami Heat fan. And when I go down to watch a game, I get into it with the crowd. Let's go Heat. Let's go Heat. Defense. Defense. I mean, if you remove vocal variety from that, let's go Heat. Let's go Heat. Defense. Defense. We just lost a game. Funny, not funny. Now let me tell you about my sexy sister. Well, the reason I say sexy because when she's talking on the phone for some reason with a boyfriend, she would answer like this. Hello? I'm not doing nothing, and you? I mean, she's getting dates. She's getting flowers. I was single at the time. I had to try it myself. Hey. Oh, you'll call me back? Okay. I mean, I never did get a call back. Too bad. If she calls me now, I'm married. Now, some Toastmasters here are gifted. And I'll call them out. They have an unfair advantage. Brent, Jerry, high volume. I mean, they don't have to say, hey, can you guys hear me back there? They just speak normal and everybody can hear them. But I found a solution. So you cuff your both hands and you put them close to your mouth. Can you hear me back there? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? And the opposite of that is low volume. Unfortunately, some of us here, we don't have that. I'm probably one of those. I have to force myself so you guys can hear me back there. But that's when you Toastmasters out there have to do your part. And see, this is where you grab your hands and you put them behind your ears. And you go left to right. And you pick up every low frequency. Sometimes I pick up Bay News 9. And obviously everybody, this next one, everybody has done. Call in sick to your boss or your manager. And John's not here, but I could use him as an example. Somebody calls John, hey John, I don't feel so good today. Double whammy, sorry. I mean, John is now upset. He has nobody to cover the front. Now, there's two things that are good for that, for positive about John. covering the front desk. One, he's working for a living, finally. And the second one is, say Brent Wall goes to the gym. He just wants to get 30 minutes in, brisk walk, in and out. Well, when he walks into that door, he hears, Brent Wall! I mean, he's gonna get a jolt of adrenaline coursing through his veins. His rapid heart rate and elevated blood pressure will get him through an intensive workout. Now, I might be joking around, but please do not try anything mentioned today at home. I am a professional joker. Nonetheless, using vocal variety will make a big difference in the delivery of your speech. It will break the monotony and get you into this other level. Improve your vocal variety, and most of all, love the sound of your voice. Thank you.